Hi everyone, my name is Blake Mayer and I am a junior and senior English teacher at Chapman High School in Chapman, Kansas, and that is USD 473. This winter I will also be on the boys basketball coaching staff for the high school, so I'm very excited about that. Basketball is actually what got me into education and started my process of becoming a leader. I was fortunate enough to be asked to be the junior high head basketball coach at Prairie Heights, which is in Alta Vista, south of Manhattan, just a little ways. And I fell in love with coaching, which ultimately led to my teaching career. So I want to be an administrator because I've realized after working with primarily these older students, juniors and seniors, that what interests me most is their development and their goals for after high school. Not that there's anything wrong with freshmen and sophomore, but juniors and seniors really start thinking about what they want to do with their life. And I think that um, being able to help them behind the scenes as an administrator, I can do more for them than I can do with 45 minutes in my English classroom every day. Not that I don't try, but I would like to be a part of their overall high school experience more than just their development with the English language. So that's why I want to be an administrator. For any additional information, you are more than welcome to ask.